All right, y'all. It's your buddy Scoob back. And thanks for sticking with me. So, I want to talk to you right now about my new favorite barbecue utility. It's not some fancy spatula. It's not some badass, board that somebody made that I can showcase all my meat on. It's something I saw on Instagram, and I probably had 2-3 beers, and I was like, well, what the hell? It's $20. Let's do it. It is the Grill Rescue Grill Brush. Man, I watched all that YouTube videos about this thing, and they run it over with a fire truck, and part of the money goes back to firemen. Let me show you. This thing is great, right? It's got this big head with this texture, and it's like a sponge. And I've been through a bunch of these heads already. I love this thing. I use it all the time. This is my final cleaning step. When I do a big clean, like you've seen here in this video, or if you're just watching, I'm just going to show you what a normal clean would look like with the Grill Rescue brush, because it's amazing. The heads come off. There's a little tab right there, and you can pop the head off and you can throw it in the dishwasher, leave the handle outside, doesn't even matter, and you can buy new heads. So once you scrub this thing down, I just bought 5 of them for like 25 bucks. I got enough to last me the whole year, and they last a long time. I mean, you can clean them and clean them and clean them. After a while, they get beat up, but we're up to 335. We got some good heat going, and I spray everything down. I love this Traeger cleaner. Ingredients right there. I don't know if it's out of focus or not, but ingredients: non-chlorinated water, corn, tree sap, cinnamon oil, and garlic. That's stuff you can eat. So you can clean with it. That's terrific. So here we go. We're just gonna kind of get some water, and we're gonna use steam and the brush. Look at it coming off. Look at how clean this thing is coming all of a sudden. Just use the steam. And it's just coming down there. Some more water going. There's the brush. That's all stuff that's coming off. Look at that. Look at how hot that brush is right now. Not catching on fire, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. When you use a ton of water like this, look at how clean those are coming all of a sudden. I mean, I can't tell you enough. Stinking amazing this thing is, man. I mean, look. You get in there and scrub. Boom. Yeah, this side's just not as hot because it's not, the smoker's not up to full temp yet. And then, the water does cool it off. So, man, that is looking good. That is looking ready to cook. I am good to go. And it's time to go to the grocery store and get something to put on here, eh? Thanks for checking me out. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep coming. I had this whole channel built up, and then I deleted it, but I've decided to come back and give everything a second try. So thanks for checking me out, and we'll see you out there. And no, by the way, I do not sponsored by Grill Rescue. I don't get a penny. I paid for all my stuff. I just think this thing really is that cool. All right, thanks again.